If the Tesla has passed the warranty of 80,000 kilometers, you must check the chassis by yourself. The master will teach the aging of the chassis wall. Otherwise, if the warranty expires, the master will teach the aging. How much does it cost to replace it? This car has been driven for 6 years.
After running 70,000 kilometers, Joe may change coins, motor gear oil, and air conditioning filter element. Filter element. The front motor oil also needs to be replaced. It is very intuitive to compare the old and new coins when replacing the branch coins and the bent coins. Replace the left and right upper control arms of the entire brigade. Change brake fluid. Also need to be replaced.